Hello, welcome to Blocklex. You are welcome right back. I am Kui Barinopo. Today, our discussion will be centered around the planned taxation of cryptocurrency by the federal government of Nigeria. It has been reported in multiple news outlets that the federal government is planning to tax cryptocurrencies. This information was first made public by the spokesperson of the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Mr. Laolu Akande. Mr. Akande, in his report of the meeting of the National Economic Council, revealed that the Federal Minister for Finance, Budget and National Planning, Hajia Zainab Ahmed, in her presentation while analyzing the Finance Bill 2021, drew the attention of the Council to some key provisions, pointed out that cryptocurrencies will now be included amongst chargeable assets under the Capital Gain Tax Act. The Finance Bill is an annual enactment that goes along with the appropriation bill, with the core purpose of reviewing and updating our laws around finance and the economy. Now, what does this mean for cryptocurrencies and the crypto industry in Nigeria? Before we dive into that, we have to first of all look at how cryptocurrencies are treated around the world. First, as was the original Bitcoin idea, cryptocurrencies are treated as currencies in some jurisdiction. Currencies as per money, not legal tender. The difference between legal tender and money is a discussion for another day. Now, in some other jurisdiction, like the US and the UK, cryptocurrencies are treated as assets, or in other words, property. Likewise, some jurisdiction like El Salvador and the Central African Republic has made enactment recognizing Bitcoin as legal tender. Now, back to our focus in this video. What does the Finance Bill 2021 means for the cryptocurrency industry in Nigeria? When it comes to chargeable assets, this is a term associated with capital gain tax. Capital gain tax are charged on the disposal of chargeable assets. Now, in Nigeria precisely, the Capital Gain Tax Act charges 10% on the disposal of every asset, though full access hasn't been granted to what the Finance Bill 2021 looks like. From the press statement of Mr. Akande, the implication is that cryptocurrencies will be charged as properties. In other words, within the Nigerian jurisdiction, it is likely that when the Finance Bill 2021 is passed into law, cryptocurrencies in Nigeria will be treated as properties and taxed as properties. Now, to explain this further, capital gain tax are charged only when properties are disposed. What this will mean is that cryptocurrencies will only be taxed for capital gain only when they are exchanged for the naira. The capital gain will only be calculated when the cryptocurrency is converted back to the naira. Let's say you want to get a car, or you want to get provisions, or you want to necessaries and all of that, and then you decide to sell out your Bitcoin. You decide to take it from the exchange and then sell it and convert it to the naira. Whatever gain you make in the course of that, let's say you bought let's say you bought the Bitcoin when it was at $12,000, and then with time, let's say within a duration of a month or two, the price increased to $20,000. Now, what will be charged on it is the difference between the $12,000 and the $20,000 minus allowable expenses. Should the crypto industry in Nigeria be excited about this news? For me, I will say yes, because to an extent, this would mean a recognition of cryptocurrency as properties within Nigeria. That, in a long way, will go to reverse the existing ban by the Central Bank of Nigeria on cryptocurrency within the banking system. How else will the government be able to effectively tax cryptocurrency if it is not allowed within the banking system? This could be the much sought relief that the cryptocurrency industry has been looking for. In the meantime, let's follow the trend and see how this will end. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Please do not forget to hit the subscription button to see subsequent video from us. Thank you, and have a great day.